Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Yamaha VStar 1300. This bike is in beautiful shape, metallic blue. It's got the running lights up front. That's a very nice option. Tall's touring windscreen, engine guards, floorboards, Yamaha locking saddlebags. It's got the backrest. Wait till you hear this Cobra exhaust. Sounds fantastic. Belt drive, heel toe shifter, 1300 cc's of VTwin fuel injected liquid cooled power for just $49.99. This bike is not going to be here long. 25,000 miles. Come on by, check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.